Hi guys, this is Manuel How I Learned to Fly with Jose Traveling Oaks and Daniela What Danny Did. In this video I show you insane drone footage of Bali desert beaches, 3 secret spots in Uluwatu and hopefully still a laugh or two. So keep watching until the end for the best part.
To get this in the camera. Well, this is Joseph for all you girls dreaming of a hot blonde guy, still single, on the market if you want. So here we are.
Do you take the key?
No. So here we are going to the secret spot in Uluwatu. We just arrived here. We thought that there would be a beach here, but instead of the beach we found this, which is pretty beautiful. Okay, time to go to the next place. We finally arrived to the beach. It took about 1 hour from Canggu to arrive here in this place, this beautiful beach in Uluwatu. And this place is completely desert. This is a great opportunity we're having to see this place that is usually very crowded, but this year there's no tourism here, so hopefully it's the only year where it's gonna be like this. From the next year will be busy again. Things have changed so much. This is what it looks like, resort with a pool, maybe some dancing, and it's all abandoned. So sad. We go to eat something at Single Fin. It was like probably another half an hour driving, but we finally arrived here in Single Fin, which is overlooking this view of the ocean. With all the surfers right now, they're surfing. It's a very beautiful day, super hot, and the waves are incredible seen from here. With this gorgeous view, it's time to eat something, see what they have here. So the fun thing is the villa over there. You can see there are monkeys that are actually taking a swim in their pool. Let me see if I can zoom a little bit. Boom! Finally my food arrived. Too small for me. The view is amazing. The food is good. I just flew for the first time a drone, and this place is incredible. It's the perfect place to train flying a drone because you can get amazing shots. And it's super easy because there's nothing around, so you don't risk to hit something or to get caught in some trees. The light wasn't best. I think sunset would be even better, but for learning it was fantastic for me. We could take all the waves and the surfers surfing over the waves, then some of the beach. And I tried doing some smooth movements, which were not very easy because you have to practice with your thumbs to make very smooth movements, and sometimes I screw everything up because I moved my thumb in the wrong direction. But I think with some practice I can improve my drone footage. So we're good to go? Oh my god! Oh, we made it on time. We are safe and alive, and we're going to this special cliff to see. Ouch! Yeah, it's pretty dangerous here. Wonder what this is. Like mint? And while our adventurers are reaching the sunset, a problem appears. The road is closed.
Yeah, I don't know why it put this.
Just what I said. So we're trying to work around and find another way to reach the cliff.
I really need a massage.
With happy ending or not?
No.
Okay. Now we get deeper in the jungle. Hopefully we'll be on time, as time is very short. Wow. We took insane footage of this sunset.
This was everything from our trip to Uluwatu. This is my first video on YouTube. I hope you find it funny or beautiful to watch or entertaining or interesting. If for any of these reasons you may have liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, because you will encourage me a lot on posting new video and making this channel grow. Thank you very much for watching so far, and hopefully see you in the next one.